Yo guys, what's up? It's Ricky from Dance's Dope, and today we're doing the intermediate advanced breaking routine part 2. Now yes, this is part 2 of the routine, but I'm going to run through part 1 in this video real quick, and then we'll get straight onto the new part of the set, and we'll dance it all at the end with the music. Now if you get to the end and you are struggling with part 1, then I'll have the link in the description for part 1 so you can jump onto that video, learn the routine slow, and come back to this. But I'd advise you try this whole video first, wait till the end, and then if you're still struggling with part 1, you can jump onto that video then, yeah? Apart from that, let's get straight into it. So we'll run through part 1 real quick, and then we'll get straight into part 2 of the set, yeah? Now part 1 does start with a jumping thread. If you can't do that, I'm just going to start here on the 8. But if you can do a jumping thread, I'll count as in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We step left foot 6, jump up, grab right foot, jumping thread 7, and through an 8. So we step 6, jump thread, land through here on 8. Then you step right foot back, left foot back, right foot in front, bring that foot behind your knee, step back, bring that foot up in front of your knee, step in front. And you kick left foot across, kick it back, kick right foot across, kick it back, kick left foot in front, hop skate through, and you drop down. And you come punch out, both hands out, in. From there, Indian step, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, then you cross, out, in. And you step in front, bring it in. Step in front, in. So 3 hustle steps. 1, 2, 3, drop. This is where part 2 starts. So I'll add that move on next, yeah? Let's go one more through part 1. As I said, if you're struggling, jump onto part 1 at the end of this video. You should find a way. So from the top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, step 6, 7, 8. If you can't jump thread, just start here on the 8. Then step, 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 up, back, up, down, kick, back, kick, through, drop, out, in, out, in, out, in. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, cross, out, in. Step, step, hustle, 2, 3, drop. From here you jump up, right foot is coming on your left knee, left foot is coming up, left hand comes into your head, right hand comes in behind. Yeah, so we've just done 1, 2, 3, drop, jump, and land it out here. So you're going to jump up to here, so right foot across your knee, left foot up, left hand up to your head, right hand behind. Jump, land out there. From there, let's get into part 2. So from there, you're doing 2 steps behind. So you're stepping left foot behind as your arms cross, step right foot behind as your arms come out. Now we're not hitting this like a back rock, because it's too quick. It's just 2 tap steps. Tap, tap. Yeah, so you're going to keep all your weight forwards as you tap left foot behind, then right foot behind. Yeah, so we've just done our hustle. 2, 3, drop, jump, land, step left, step right. From there you jump it in, you top rock across, and then you step that same leg, that left leg, out. Yeah? So your timing for that is 1, 2, 3, drop, jump, land, step, step, jump, top, out. Yeah, so your feet are just left foot topping across and stepping out. Your arms come out and across. From there we're doing 2 hops towards the left. So hop, up, and you're top rocking right foot across. Yeah, nice. Let's go from our jump. So from the hustle steps, we've got 1, 2, 3, drop, jump, land, step, step, jump, top, out, jump, jump, top. From here, left foot comes in behind, right foot comes up, then you're going to step that right foot back, and you're going to slide it back, yeah? So your timing is jump, jump, top, step, so you bring it up, up, slide. So you want to slide back on that right foot, both arms coming up here, yeah? Nice. So just that bit, so you're doing your jump, top, out, jump, jump, top. Then you've got a 1 count weight, and you switch what beat you're hitting. So you'll hit, hit, slide. Then you're going to Indian step forwards, left foot first. 1, 2, 3. You want to travel that nice and far forwards, yeah? Good. Let's go from the hustle step. We're going to finish this off. We're only adding 2 counts of it into part 1 today. And then, as I've set them, That's our set finished, and we'll get the whole routine with the music at the end. Now, if you're struggling with part 1, as I said, you'll just join in with part 2 and learn part 1 on the other video, yeah? So, from the hustle step. So, 5, 6, 7, 8, we kick. 1, 2, 3, drop, jump, down, step, step, jump, top, out, jump, jump, top, up, up, slide, 1, 2, 3. From here we're going to pin drop, so you should have landed, left foot down, no, right foot down, left foot behind. From here you're just going to hop, it out, pin drop, it down, and go into any freeze of your choice and hold it for 4 counts. Me, I'm going to hit my forearm freeze here. You can go chair freeze, baby freeze, any type of freeze you want, or you can just finish with the ending pose. We're going to hit a freeze for the last 4 counts, yeah? So from the Indian step, 1, 2, 3, you're pin dropping, so hop, bring it in my hand, come down, and into any freeze of your choice. For me, is my elbow, forearm freeze, yeah? That's the whole routine. So, what we're going to do now is we're going to go start to finish, nice chill pace, and then we'll just smash it out a good 2-3 times with music, get it banging, get it good, yeah? So, let's go from the start, nice and chill. So again, if you can't do that jump thread, we start here on the 8, if you can. We're stepping left foot on the 6 to jump thread 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, step, step, kick, back, kick, through, drop, out, in, out, in, out, in. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, cross, out, in. Step, step, hustle, 2, 3, drop, jump, line, step, step, jump, top, out, jump, jump, top, up, slide, 1, 2, 3, pin drop, and freeze. Hold that for 4, and then you can come out of it however you like, yeah? There's the routine. Now, if you're struggling with any of that, just rewind the last 30 seconds, go through it a couple more times. Apart from that, let's go with the music. Okay, it comes in real fast. Make sure you're ready. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, let's go. Link in the description for part 1. Go learn that, smash that out, come back to this video and nail it out. Now one thing I do want to start doing on this channel is featuring people, so I want a video of me dancing the set, a video of one of you guys dancing the set, and then we're kind of smashing it out together. So if you guys do have any videos of you dancing these routines, send them across. I'll definitely put them in some videos. I want to feature some of you guys because I haven't seen any of you guys. We're on like 900 subs at the minute. We are growing pretty quick, so I want to start featuring some of you guys, get to know you a bit better, yeah? I do appreciate all you guys who like the videos, who are quick on the uploads when I've uploaded them, liking them, watching them. So thank you. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to hit that like button, smash the subscribe button to support the channel, hit that bell notification button so you can keep up to date with the uploads. And if there's anything that I'm not doing, or anything that I'm doing that you really like, leave a comment down below. I do like to chat to you guys, chop up with you guys. But apart from that, thank you guys. Catch you in the next one.